Today we're going to make a one skillet unstuffed cabbage roll. We really like things that don't use very many dishes. They're perfect. In our Dutch oven over here, we're going to put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. And then we're going to put that heat on a nice medium heat. We're going to add 2 onions that we have diced. And we're going to cook that until they're soft. Once that's cooked for a little while, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And we're going to stir that around, cook it for about 30 seconds or so. Over here I have 1 yellow pepper, bell pepper. If you don't, you can use any of the peppers. If you want to use red, orange, green, yellow is what we had available. And we're going to cook that for another 3 or 4 minutes and make sure it becomes nice and soft. Once that's softened, we're going to stick a pound of ground beef into our pan, and we're going to crumble that up and brown it. Our ground beef is all nice and brown. If you have a lot of excess fat in your ground beef, you want to drain that out. But we don't have that, so we're just going to leave it. To that, we're going to add a 14-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. We're going to do half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and we don't have much left, so we're just going to try to toss most of that in there. We're going to do 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of salt. If you want a little bit of extra salt, of course you can add it. Give that a nice stir. Mix everything together well. In the microwave, we put a package of rice because we're going to add 1 cup of rice later on to this recipe. It needs to be cooked, so we're just going to use the microwave version. Over here we have 1 cabbage. The cabbage has been cut into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to throw that in there. It looks like a lot, but it's really going to cook down a lot. We got this cabbage from Mom's garden, so it's going to be nice and sweet. And we're going to place the lid on it, and we're going to cook this for 10 minutes with the lid on. Alright, that has cooked. And there, steamed a little bit. That's what's helped do is get a little bit of moisture into that. We're going to now just stir this, and we're going to cook it without the lid on it for another 10 minutes. Now we're going to add our hot rice. Mix that in. We're using brown rice because that's what we had. You can, of course, use the white rice. We're going to cook this an extra 3 minutes. Now for the final step. We have, you can use 1 cup, but we like our cheese. So we're going to do about 2 cups of sharp cheddar cheese. We're using the white cheddar. Yellow cheddar works perfectly well. We just kind of like the Cabots a lot, their cheese. We'll stick that on top. We'll stick a lid back on it so it can melt. And we'll cook this 1 to 2 minutes until our cheese is nice and melted. Turn that heat off, and when you lift that up, oh, look at that. Cheese is melted and started just seeping all the way into the mixture. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. It's a wonderful and delicious, easy, one skillet, unstuffed cabbage roll recipe.